Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MX350 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX350 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result on this page should be for Canon support for PIXMA MX350, and the domain should be from canon.com. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you should see a little picture of your printer. And if you scroll down further, select software and drivers. And then going underneath the item in here, it says My Printer. Go ahead and select the download button that corresponds to it. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up. Select Yes, should be a verified publisher from Canon Inc. And then you want to follow along with the on-screen prompts here about setting up your country and region, as well as the destination folder you want it to be installed to. And then we can create a desktop shortcut. And if you have any further residual issues, you can launch that application and diagnose and repair your printer and attempt to connect to it via this troubleshooting utility. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.